First possession will be on the green.
Wrong basket.
Oh my God, Adu.
2 points for the red team. Green possession.
Plus 2. Nice one, nice one. Wrong basket. Plus 2. Stop time, stop time.
Faster, it's running time.
Chinat sa kalaban mo.
Go down, go down.
Red points, 5-0 in favor of red team.
Mo, hindi ka na invited sa bahay.
Foul on number 0.
Ano lang highlight? Mo, position, position.
Basket on 1. Foul on number 12.
Papahirap siya si Frank. Mo! Laki mo ah!
8-0 already.
8-0, 7 minutes and 35 seconds.
Nakasuka sa square ball!
Ten seconds on the shot clock. Five seconds to shoot. 10-0. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Time out, the green team.
Easy game to mga to.
Back to the ball game, 6 minutes and 40 seconds, 10-0 in favor of red.
Oh, tap. Nice one.
Bang!
Let's go!
3 points. 13-0, 6 minutes and 20.
Give screen. Oh, tira mo.
Don't sit drunk, ha?
Oh, bakaw!
Ay, sakit!
Oh, yun ah. Tira ko yan.
Bakaw!
Adam, Adam. That is there. You go in the court, huh?
Long two. 15-0.
Na 15-0 lang.
Steal by Chef.
Calm down!
Pass to Frank. Dribbling the ball is Frank. Guarded by Khalil.
Khalil doesn't know how to
ISO. Frank fakes. Lace up. Yes, sir. Let's get counted. Who's fouled there?
What's your height?
Number 1. Number 12. Number 4. 25 pala. 25. Joel. Second personal foul. First personal foul. Second team foul.
This is the time when
Two free throws awarded to Sia Frank. Ay, isa lang pala, basket.
When you are playing against him, I'll pass the ball to
18-0.
you.
Ay, score naman kayo. Blue-green.
Okay, go!
Lamangan 13. Khalil.
Play, ha?
Pass to Joel. Joel. Drives. Lace up. No, sir. 19 na pala. 19-0. Frank Folding. My favorite player. Folding pass to Morris. 2 points na pala ang ano. Sige.
Not blue, I think.
19-2. Official, sir. 10 seconds to shoot. Morris drives. Pass to my favorite player. 5. Chef drives. Pass to nobody. Timeout. Red team. Official score 18-0. Mahaba pa yan. Kala nyo. Babawi ang blue-green. We would like to thank our sponsor, Sagot Gulaman, Mr. Philip Ko.
Let's go, Chef!
Inbounding the ball is Joel. Pass to Sakib, number Wahed. Number 11, Wahed. Pass to Joel, back to sino? Orpi, no good. Khalil, pass to Adam, to brother, foul. Foul si Chef. Chef. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws awarded to Fahad Adam. First attempt? No, sir. Ano nangyari sa mga to? Ready jumpers. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Taufik. Pass to Sia. Ayan na, si Mr. Ace player. Sia, dribbling the ball. Pass to Morris. 10 to shoot. Pass to Taufik, pass to Chef. Fakes, pass to Folding. Out of bounds.
Baba, kaya.
Blue-green ball. Joel. Pass to Khalil. Pass to Sakib. Lace up. Lakas. Rebound Sia. Sia dribbling the ball. Sia dribbling the ball. Guarded by Sakib.
Just cut the lead for us!
I don't either, he was very tired.
Morris, number 2. Pass to 10 seconds to shoot. Sia. Patay na. Yun lang. 20-0. Lamang ang 20. 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Let's try to score.
Joel.
Nice one, Taner.
Pass to Adam. Yes. Wala pa rin. Malas. Sakib. Dribbling the ball. Khalil. Blue Green, 10 to shoot. Blue Green, can you please sit down? Hindi makita ng official. No good. Rebound by Sia. Rebound na naman ni Sia. 41 seconds remaining. Tawfiq drives. Lays up. No sir. Rebound. Fahad. Sakib. 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 Mr. Wahid lays up. Yes sir. Nakascore din sa wakas.
Look up, Tawfiq.
20 seconds remaining. Last shot. Sabi ni Coach. Guarded by Sakib. Haras by Sakib. Muntik pang makakal breaker. Then to shoot.
Morris, let's go!
Morris drives. Drive. Basket. Tutunog na lang yan. 1 second. End of the first quarter. Official score natin 22-2 in favor of Blue Green. Red ball. Morris, the point guard of Red Team. Fires for 3. Bang! May kamayumaan. Bantay ninyo. Morris, 3 points. Denver. Pass to Jason. Pass to McCoy for 3. No sir. Walang tinamaan ng board. Foul. Foul number Chef. Number 1. 0.
Puro panula.
Third personal foul. First team foul of the second quarter. 2 free throws awarded to Denver. First attempt, short. Naku, pati si Denver, kinakabahan yata. Nakahawa na. Ready jumpers. No, rebound by... Sino to si Amparado? Pass to Morris. Number 2. Ito na pala ang Fast and the Furious ng Red Team. Pass to Ryan Macbo. Yes sir! Wala pala. Denver. Pass to Glenn. Ayan na si Glenn. Ang ace player ng
Tulumpaw.
2 points. Number 28. Glenn Palayo ang season MVP. Last season. Kaya pala tayo puan. Hindi. Koji lays up. Wala. Rebound by McCoy. Fast break to Denver. Steal by Morris. Morris dribbling the ball. Fakes. Lays up. No sir. Rebound McCoy. McCoy. Pass to Glenn. Lays up. Easy basket yan. Ay wala. Follow by Denver. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Koji. Okay Dan, yung ano, yung bone-tag sinarmony ni Koji, pakitanggal. Bawal yan, bawal. Tanggalin mo na lang, tanggal.
Ay, pogi oh!
Bawas ang pogi points.
Wala nang agad ng pag-asa yung dalawang. Wala.
Dapat hindi pinagsabay. Pagsabay.
Wala na, nagubad na ng sapatos eh. Uwi na yan.
Inbounding is number 13.
Go.
Oh, sa
Go.
Hey! Ayan, sa papar!
Hindi happy.
Sige lang, relax na happy. Nice one.
for 3 ang Koji. Wala. Rebound by Ryan. Follow up. No. Rebound by Chef. Sabi ni Chef, relax. Chill lang. 10 to shoot. Pass to nobody. Nalito si Chef. Nalito lang.
Dito ka sir sa bench.
Time out! Blue green.
May trabaho eh.
Pumasok na kasi natira, kaya okay na.
Pakailas ka na.
May ambag na. Natalaw, let's go.
Back to the ball game. No substitution tayo, no substitution. Inbound to number 3, Denver. Pass to McCoy. McCoy nagmamadali. Lace up for 2. Yes, sir. 27-6 ang score natin. Warning, delaying the game. Number 12. Blue green. Coach Koji drives. Nagmamadali. Pass to Amparan for 2. No, sir. Rebound by McCoy. McCoy, pass to Khalil. Khalil, lace up! Basket! Counted! May score na si Khalil! Number 5, first personal foul. Second team foul. Red team. Bonus free throw, wala. Rebound by number 5, Amparado. Ryan, pass to point guard, Koji. Setting up the play, Mr. Koji. Marcelo screened by Ryan. Pass to Morris. Morris for 3. Bam! Morris, 3 points. Denver drives. Pass to Glenn. Patay kayo dyan. Inasa pa, sayang. Pass to Khalil. Pass to Denver. Banga. Denver, 2 points. 30-20. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. 30-10 in favor of red. Morris, 10 to shoot. Pass to Chef. Chef for 3. Susubok, wala. Rebound by out of bounds. Blue green ball. Frank, ipot na konti. Glenn, nagpamadali si Glenn. May lakad yata si Glenn ha. I-deliver pa yata. Nawala ang bola. Glenn, maaga pa naman.
Ulang.
Koji, nagpamadali nito. Lace up, block by Khalil. Wala. Ay, shot na sabi ni Coach. 32-10. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Denver, screen by Fahad. Pass to Jason, isang shooter din yan, kaso kapos. Up, bola. Leo. Yung mga anak nyo, mahirap palitan yan.
Konti na lang yan.
Konti na lang daw, sabi ni Glenn. Ampi, pass to Marcelo. Pass to Ryan. Anong gagawin ni Ryan? Pass to Chef. 10 seconds to shoot. Marcelo, guarded by number 3, Denver. Pass to Morris, again for 3. 5. Reset. Basket, wala. Rebound, out of bounds. Blue green ball. Last touch ka pa eh. Kita. Pass break by McCoy. Steal by Marcelo. Marcelo drives. Teardrop, no sir. Rebound by McCoy. McCoy, kanino kaya ipapasa ni McCoy? Titira ko na lang, wag. To Glenn, to Denver, ganda ng pasahan ng Blue green. 2 points. Morris, harassed by number 28. Pass to Chef.
Let's go, Chef.
Take your time, sabi ni Ampi. 10 to shoot. Koji, pass to 5 to shoot. Time out. Red team. 5 to shoot, ref. Official score natin 32-12. Medyo malayo-layo pa. Mahaba pa yan, pre. 2 quarters pa yan. Focus lang sa game. Yung intindihin yung score.
Mario was dying, but he was giving everything.
Nice pass! Yun lang, wala. Rebound, Jason. Jason dribbling the ball pass to Denver. Denver, pass to Glenn, the ace player of Blue Green for 3. No! Rebound, Khalil, pass to Jason. Jason for 3, susubok. Kapus pa rin, puro kapus kayo ngayon. Koji pass to Morris, the fast and the furious. Yung kabila naman, the fat and the... Chef drives, lays up! Yes, sir! The signature move. Oh. 34-12. Favor off. 34.
Talo na, kanyo
Okay, pass to Glenn. Papasok na kaya ang 3-point si Glenn. Short. Rebound by Chef. Pass to Koji.
Go down, go down.
Go down, sabi ni Coach. Koji, pass to Ryan, fake, spin, steal, McCoy, pass back to number 28. Easy basket yan. Oh, wala pa rin. Easy basket, yes, 2 points. 1 minute and 40 seconds of second quarter. 34-14, konti na lang. 20 na lang. Marcelo, 3 points. One minute and 20. 37-14. Official score. McCoy. Pass to Khalil. Khalil to Jason. Pass to McCoy. For 2. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Denver follow up. Yes sir, the master of the disaster. Master ng layup. 1 minute. 37-16. Konti na lang. Konti na lang. Third quarter na tayo. Morris pass to Marcelo. 10 to shoot. To Chef. Chef. Pass to Ampira. Amparado. Oh, wala. Rebound Khalil. Pass back to steal by Denver. Lays up. Ay, wala. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Koji. 24 seconds. Tutunog na lang yan. Buzzer will just sound. Marcelo ay Apresto.
Last shot, last shot.
15 to shoot. 10. Marcelo for 3. No sir. Rebound by 5 seconds. End of the second quarter. 37-16 in favor of red team. Sakib, Wahed. Joel, papasok na kaya ang 3 points. Yes sir, yan na. Yan na si Mr. Joel. Ang isang 3-pointer ng Blue Green. Marcelo. Holding. Pass to Sia. Naku, si Sia na naman. Patay kayo dyan. Patay ka. Coach, Koji. Tattoo pa rin. Jason! Yes sir! Ayan na mga shooter ng Blue Green. Lumalabas na. Pinagbigyan lang pala kayo eh. Ayan na. Koji, dribbling the ball.
Ganito pag nakahabol.
39-29. Taufik for 3. Wala. Rebound by Sia. Steal by 8 seconds to shoot. Good defense by Blue Green. Ampi, pass to Marcelo for 3. No sir. Rebound by number 5, Jason. Pass to Joel. Joel nag-isip. Anong gagawin? Pass to Adam. Adam spins. Lace up. No. Good, good. Frank to Paulding. My favorite player. Pass to Koji. Marcelo. Pass to Sia. Ayan na naman si Sia. Spin mo ba tayo? Yes, sir. 41-20. 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Kailangan makontest niya si Sia. Glenn for 3. Wala. Ayan na. Rebound daw tayo, Fick. Number 28. Number 28. First personal foul. First team foul. Third quarter. Reset tayo ng 24. Foul. Pass to Paulding, my favorite player. To Taufik, number 1. Susubok yan. For 3. Bang. No. Rebound Joel. Number 25 to number 5. Number 6 pala. Jason, ang shooter ng blue-green. Bang! Wala, kapos. Out of bounds, out of bounds. Marcelo. Pass, still no. Pass to Paulding, my favorite player. Fakes! Sayang. Na-miss ko to si Paulding. Number 28, papasok na kaya ang 3 points? Yes, sir. No sub daw, sabi ni coach. Gamit oras, sabi ni coach. Number 21, harass by Glenn. And to shoot. Substitution rep. 28, second personal foul. Second team foul. Blue-green. Pass to Koji. Koji, susubok ulit yan. 3 points. No, sir. Rebound by number 25. Pass break. Bukalin. Oh, di nakita. Joel. Retrieve the ball. Aim to shoot for 3. Short. Rebound by Parayo. 2 points. Time out. Red team. Official score 57 41 26 mali. 5 minutes and 57 seconds of this third quarter. Pag timeout, Mati. Pag timeout, Mati. Third na, di ba? Wala na. Red team, wala. Wala na kayong timeout, red team, Morris. Red ball.
Natin, kuha ko. Amer, get the ball. Hey, Zomer.
Sit down. Chef, cooking, block by Khalil, Fahad. Rebound by Chef, pass to Ryan. 10 seconds to shoot. Cover Joel, pass to Glenn. Nagmamadali si Glenn. Glenn, lace up, basket, counted. Foul number 21, Marcelo. Marcelo, first personal foul. First team foul. 41-28, konti na lang. Lumalapit na. Ang season MVP natin, awarded by 1 free throw. Wala. Oops. Sia, guarded by Joel. Nakalusot. Guarded by Khalil. Sia fakes. Sia lays up. Easy basket yan. Lakas talaga to si Frank. Glenn for 3. Wala. Rebound by
Oh, bola!
Nice pass by Marcelo to Ryan. 2 points, Mr. Ryan Macdo. Saki pass to Khalil. Khalil tries for 2. Easy basket.
No, apat na
Shot
kayo.
pass. Chef, what happened? Marcelo. Nagmamadali, guarded by Khalil. Marcelo. Pass to Chef. Pagka dead ball tayo, time out. Stand to shoot. Sia drives. Wala. Follow by Taufik. Time out. Blue green. Walang time out.
Grabe yun mo ah.
80 kgs.
Kidis of power.
Official score natin, third quarter, 3 minutes, 38 seconds. Official score, 47-30. Ba, konti na lang, 17 na lang. No? Ay, tama ba? 17 na lang pala, oh. Kaya ba yan, blue green? Habol. Siya. Inbound by number 25. Sakit to Glenn for 3. And Parayo, 3 points. Ana. Marcelo, ganda ng pasahan ng red. Lays up, Taufik.
Ooh, sayang.
Foul. Who's foul?
Ryan.
20, Ryan Macdo. First personal foul. Second team foul. Third team. Saki. Foul number, substitution up. Foul number 21. 21, second personal foul. Third team foul. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Sakit! Yes, sir! Yan ang makakatawa nyo. Konti na lang, oh. 47-35. 12 points na lang. Harass by blue green. To Sia. Yun lang. Sia. Pass to. Steal by Khalil. Steal by Shep.
Sayang.
To shoot.
Natinira.
Guarded by. Pass to Shep. 5 to shoot. Tutulog na lang yan. Morris! Good ball. Pass to Glenn. Basket, 2 points. Ayan na. 10 na lang. 47-37. Official score. Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds. Saki. Foul, don't push.
Foul that
I
Saki.
told you many times, don't push. Number 11, first personal foul, fourth, third team foul. Ryan, pass to Shep. Shep, nag-iisip. Shep, pass to Ryan. There to shoot. Ryan short, rebound by Saki. Ayan na ang blue green. Up, tumama sa pass. Steal by Morris, pass to Sia. Behind the back move. Sia, patay na naman kay Sia. Wala, rebound by number 1, Taufik. Taufik for 2. Wala, rebound by Khalil. Blue green ball. Sayang yun. 55 seconds of third quarter. Joel for 3. Wala pa. Rebound by Khalil. Follow up. Wala.
Nice foul.
Time remaining 38 seconds. 2 free throws awarded to. And 5 subs. Nabigyan na.
Breathe! No.
And sub.
No.
Breathe!
You're antay Khalil na.
20 seconds remaining time. Wala. Rebound by Joel. Joel. Tutunog lang yan. 10 seconds. Len guarded by Morris. 5 to shoot. Rebound by Sia. Tutunog na lang yan. Hindi nyo pa tinakbo. Maganda. Official score 47-37. Second game. Morris. Pass to Chef. Fakes for 3. Drives. Lays up. Wala. Rebound by Fahad. Pass to Denver. Denver. Lays off. Fakes. Wala. Rebound by Denver. Good. Denver for 3. Bang! Ayan na ang mga shooter. Steal by Parayo. 47-40. Glenn fakes. Block by Sia. Ayaw pre. Pasa mo na. Ilan na? Third personal foul. First team foul. Blue green.
Adam. Chef, balls.
Uy, foul. Apat ka na. Sayang ang foul. Marcelo, teardrop shot. Easy basket yan, walang contest. 49-40. Siyam lang palo. McCoy, dribbling the ball. Pass to Denver. Pass to Fahad. Easy basket. Number 0. Fourth personal foul. Chef. First team foul now. A second.
Nakatagilid na siya.
Time out. Substitution.
Adam, can you shoot it?
One free throw. Bonus shot. Wala. Rebound by Sia. Up. Sub. Ano nangyari?
Tanggap. Diyan. Tanggap.
Substitution rep. You cannot go in again, Adam, ha? Okay, sub. Out of bounds.
It's okay.
I screened you, that's why.
Layo. Easy lang daw sa Jason. 10 to shoot. Denver for 2. Short. Rebound by Chef. Chef. Walang mapasahan si Chef. Dribble the ball. Pass to Marcelo. Pass to number 0. Chef. Lays up. Basket. 2 points. 51-42, Fisher score, 6 minutes and 56. Time remaining. Khalil, lakas ng pasa. Give it to the point guard. Time out. Blue green. Team Blue Green, 1 remaining timeout. Back to the ball game. Pasok, red ball.
Oh, isa dito.
Morris, pass to Sia. 10 to shoot. Sia for 3. Short, rebound by. Steal by Chef for 2. Wala, rebound by Khalil. Khalil, pass to Glenn.
Walang malaki.
Glenn Pass to Denver, easy basket. Ay, sayang, wala. Follow by collision. Sayang naman, sir. To Sia, ayan na naman si Sia. Sia drives, lays up, easy basket. Rated. Number 3.
Wala malaki, wala malaki.
Pass to McCoy. For 3, susubok. Short. Walang...
Tapat-tapat lang.
Then to shoot.
Nice!
Foul to shoot.
Delikad yun.
Rebound by Chef. Follow up. Yes, sir. 2 points.
Delikad yun, delikad yun.
Substitution. Sige, pasok. Injury timeout muna. Sino yun? Koji?
Bola, green. Bola.
Pahinga muna, Koji. Searching muna kayo bago mag-start ng game para iwas.
Gusto mo mayamig na tubig?
Pass to Joel. Back to Sakib. Sakib. Tumawag sa paa. Get by Joel. Joel. Susubok ng 3 points yan. Short na lang. Rebound by Taufik to Sia. Sia. Out of bounds. Blue. Kanino? Red ball. Time remaining. 4 minutes. 49 seconds. 55-42. Konti lang yan, oh. Sia, guarded by Saki. Pass to Presto. 10 to shoot. Ampi for 2. Nakbo. Wala. Rebound by Chef. Nice rebound by Chef. 10 to shoot. Nakalusot si Morris. 5. Taufik, libre-libre. Shooter yan. Nako, 3 points. Venga. 58-42. 4 minutes, 11 seconds. Saki. Denver. Lays up. The master of layup. Denver. 2 points. 58-44. 3 minutes and 55.
8 seconds.
8 seconds violation. Moving. Substitution up. Hammer out. Ampi out. Sino ba? Ryan in. Dalawa sub. Sige, pasok. Hammer out, Chef.
Inside.
Please take you. For 3, no sir. Rebound by Saki. Steal by Marcelo. Pass back to Taufik. Run, Taufik, run. Taufik, fakes. Yeah, foul. Foul. Joel, number 25. Substitution left.
Nalilimutan ko na nag-video.
25, second personal foul. Sakib out. Third team foul. 2 minutes, 57. Last throw. Baskets. Official score 60-44. 2 minutes 40. Joel, susubok ng 3 points. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Ryan. Pass break to Taufik. Taufik, top to Marcelo. Galing. Galing yung Taufik. IQ. Foul number traveling violation.
Traveling.
Substitution up. Jason. Last 2 minutes. Hatid sa inyo ng sagot ko lamang ni Philip ko. Good. Out of bounds. Ryan, pass to number 21. 1 minute and 55 seconds. Marcelo nakawala. Pass to Taufik, easy basket. 2 points for Taufik. Denver, lace up, foul. Taas kamay, Iwagayway. Number 2, Maurice Apresto.
Hindi pala dapat
2 free throws awarded to Denver.
May pala doon, hindi mo sila pinagsasabay yung
Unang pagbubuslo ni Denver. Pasok
walang
sa bangka.
nabasa.
Ngayon, alam mo na, wag mo pagsabayin mga bata.
Last throw. 1 minute and 36.
Gusto pa nga nila magkakakampi sila eh.
Hindi.
Wala. Rebound by Sia.
Pag magkakampi nga, try nga natin.
Pass to Marcelo. 1 minute 30. Uli. Masyadong relax si Koji. Denver. Pass to Glenn. Lace up. Nice pass by Denver. 62-47. Last 1 minute and 15. Harass by Khalil. Chance to shoot. Morris nakawala. Walang bantay. Ay. 2 points. Morris. 55 seconds. Joel. Fires for 3. Short. Wala na. Pagod na. Sia. Pass to Marcelo. Let go na lang ha. Short. Out of bounds.
Lana, ball.
37 seconds time remaining. JJ, wala pa rin. Number 28, Glenn, for 3. Wala pa rin. Wala na. Yeah, last 15 seconds. Good game, GG. Good game, well played. Number 3, best player of the game. Frank Zia. Frank. Good opening.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you.